This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Completely remodeled 3-bed, 2-bath located in Memorial Parkway. This light and bright home includes an open floor plan with new wood-like tile flooring, new carpet and paint throughout. Beautiful kitchen includes new appliances, granite countertops and a butcher block style island. Bathrooms have been updated with new tile and fixtures. Great sized backyard with covered patio is perfect for activities. This home will not last long. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.